Talking about electron affinity, it is defined as the amount of energy released when an electron adds up in the valence shell of an isolated atom to form a uni-negative gaseous ion. For example, here, when an atom gains an electron, it forms anion, a uni-negative gaseous ion, plus the electron affinity. It is that energy which is released. For example, here when chlorine takes an electron, it forms chlorine anion and energy is released. Talking about electron affinity, it is the likelihood of an atom to gain electron, and when it gains electron, it actually releases the energy, or the energy is released when that electron is added. Talking about the periodic trends in the electron affinity, as we move from top to bottom in a group, the electron affinity decreases. Move from top to bottom in a group, an electronic shell is added. When electronic shell is added, there is an increase in the atomic radius. So atomic radius is increasing and effective nuclear charge is decreasing. So when we add the electron in any of this atom, that electron which is added is not bound tightly by the nucleus. So that's why electron affinity decreases as we move from top to bottom. Similarly, when we move from left to right in a period, electron affinity increases. It means that when we move from left to right in a period, there is increase in electron affinity. We know that when we move from left to right, the shell number remains constant. The electron is added in the same shell, so the atomic radius is actually decreasing when we move from left to right, and effective nuclear charge is increasing. So when we add that electron in the shell, it is very tightly bound by the nucleus. So that's why electron affinity is greater when we move from left to right. So we can simply memorize this by saying that electron affinity is actually inversely proportional to atomic radius, which means that when atomic radius increases, electron affinity decreases, and when atomic radius decreases, electron affinity increases, as we saw. Okay, when we move from top to bottom in a group, atomic radius is increasing but electron affinity is decreasing. But when we move from left to right in a period, atomic radius is decreasing but electron affinity is increasing. So this is all about the electron affinity. Thanks for watching.